open the glove box. And there's some tabs on the side here. If you use a trim tool, you can just pry out a little bit. You could probably do it with your hands as well. This side you gotta pry a little more and then slide down. There is a little wire right here, or string. You can slide that off just so it's a little easier. Now take a Phillips head screwdriver, and there's a screw right in this cover, right here. Take that screw out. And grab the panel and slide it out. Now you can grab a pick or some other type of tool that you can grab the filter with. Just slide it out. You might have to bend it a little bit around the corner. Be careful if there's any pine needles in it, like these. And then there's another filter on the side there. So grab it and slide it to the left, and you can slide this one out as well. There's a lot in that one as well. Take the new filters and just slide them in the same way it came out. And then once this is all the way in, slide it to the right and take this filter and slide it in. Take the cover, line the cover up. There's 2 feet on the bottom that are gonna go in. And put the screw in. Get that started and tighten the screw down. Now grab this cord right here. Slide it out as far as you can and attach it to that hook. Slide these in and close it up.